Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will tell you 8 PC maintenance tips that will help your PC perform better and live for long without crashing. First thing that you must do in order to maintain your PC is to ensure that the monitor and peripherals are clean. Wipe the monitor regularly, remove dust from keyboard and keep the mouse clean. Dirt often clogs the ventilation ports, which in turn increase the temperature of PC, leading to poor performance of the device. Keep your PC away from liquids. In case you want to clean it with liquids, spray the liquid onto the cloth rather than spraying it on the monitor or peripherals. Don't forget to keep your CD or DVD drive clean, since it is equally prone to ravage of dust like other parts of your PC. Second is keep your PC updated. We often see pop-ups in our PC for updates like "Update is ready to install." But we dismiss them absent-mindedly without even realizing that it could be important for our PC. Always keep Windows and other software programs updated on your laptop or desktop. Many updates come with better security and bug fixes which help your system work efficiently. Keep a check on updates and install them as soon as they arrive. You can also enable automatic download and installation of Windows updates on your computer. Third is install antivirus program and keep it updated. Installing an antivirus will not help you, but running it on your device will. Run antivirus on your computer from time to time to protect it from ill effects of viruses and spyware. You can also enable automatic antivirus scan if you don't find manual scanning feasible. Just like the other software programs, antivirus updates also come with improvements over the previous versions. Next is think before you download anything. We often download songs, software and many other things from internet which may harm your PC. Make sure you download every software from trustworthy sources. Refrain yourself from downloading and installing unknown software programs. Next is uninstall unwanted programs. If you are using your PC from quite a long time, perhaps there will be many things in it which you don't remember even exist. Take out some time to uninstall or remove such files or documents from your computer. Ditching unused programs will not only make more free storage space, but it will also improve the processing time of your PC. Sixth is renew antivirus subscriptions. Installing a good antivirus program is one thing, but giving attention to its expiry and renewal date is also crucial. An expired antivirus will not bring anything good to your computer. Keep a check on the renewal date of the antivirus program on your PC and renew it as soon as it goes near to expiration date. Next is empty your PC's recycle bin. We all are aware what a recycle bin does. The files which we delete are temporarily stored in recycle bin and can be restored later when needed. Such files keep eating up storage space on your PC, resulting in slow speed and poor performance of your computer. Check your recycle bin regularly and delete the files which you think you will not need again. But use this option carefully, since deleting files from recycle bin will remove them permanently. Eighth is backup your data. Always keep a backup of your data so that you do not lose it even if your system crashes or fails. You can keep backup of your files, programs and documents in an external hard drive. While there are also many online cloud storage services available where you can easily keep a backup of your data over internet without getting yourself entangled in USB cables. Did you find these PC maintenance tips useful? Share your views with us in the comment section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.